I'm going to do now is I'm going to create a basic arrangement to play what I've got here, and then I'll see if I want to add anything else. So I'm just going to grab all of it and just move it down like this in the session view. And let me see, I'm going to stop all the sounds. I just want to see what it sounds like if I would bring in the field recordings first. If I just start with piano, and then I could fade in the field recordings. See what that would sound like. I think that might be the way to go. So I'll put this piano one up here because I want to be triggering everything from the scenes. So what this is over here, for those of you that don't know what a push is, the way I've got it set up right now when I hit session is it reflects the scene. So this is scene 1, scene 2, scene 3, scene 4, and so on. So what I'll do is I've got the piano up here. What I'll do is I will also put the field recordings in there. Oops. There we go. And I'm going to remove the stop buttons all the way over here, just so this keeps playing once it's been switched on when I go through the scenes. And yeah, I just need to remember to turn the field recordings down. So I'll bring that up as I feel. And then I think next I want to copy that and I want to bring in the bass line. So that would be. Yeah, I like that. And then I think actually at the same time I'm going to bring in those drums. And then next, I'll go here with the piano and this bass. Keep these drums going. And then I'm going to go back to piano 1, bass 1, and we're going to bring in, hold on, I need to color this differently. Let's make this orange. I'm going to bring in the second drums, which will be this. So let me just turn up this. Maybe if I put this in there. I still feel like that hi-hat is too loud. On. Okay, thought my computer was about to crash and I just realized that I didn't save. So as you can see, that would have really sucked. So I'm going to save this now. So let's see, where are we at? Oh yeah, I wanted to turn down that hi-hat even more. Okay, so then I'll go from this. turn up the bass drum on that a little. Okay. From there, let me just copy this all down. Actually, yeah. Like this. And then I want this part, the third piano part, with this. And then I just want it to be the prism with live drums. And that should be it. Let me just see the last thing. Add the stop button here so it stops when I want everything to. Okay. Think I like it. So what we're going to do now is I've created a little arrangement, and I think I'm going to leave that instrumentation. I'm not going to go any further in creating other sounds, just so I don't take forever on this tutorial. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to record this arrangement and do a sort of dub style mixing whilst I'm recording the arrangement. So I'll be using the fades as the arrangement is recording, and also the sends to send effects primarily to the echo device. Okay, so let's record this and see what happens. So what we'll do is we'll start up here. Field is down because I want to fade the field recordings in, like I mentioned. And prism I'm going to leave like that with the send already on, and then I'll do some other stuff on the fly and just see what happens. I can always go in and correct it later. Okay, let's do this. Here we go, hitting record. 2, 3, 4. And there we have our little piece of music. That was it. That's it for the time being, at least. I'm sure I'll work on this track a little longer. But as far as this tutorial is concerned, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will be coming back with some more tutorials soon. So make sure to like and subscribe, the usual sort of stuff. If you have any comments about any particular part in the song, please timestamp it and leave a comment if you like it. If you don't, if you have any other suggestions that you might think I might be interested in, I'm always open to suggestions. So feel free to comment all you like, and I shall be back soon with another tutorial. All the best for now. Take it easy. Peace.